Don't smash someone's window. Don't steal their missus's purse and wallet. This is how to change the window of a Chevy Spark. Right, so you've got tiny little bits of glass everywhere. Even after your best attempts of cleaning, you will still find this in every nook and cranny imaginable. You'll need a 7mm shallow socket, some screwdrivers, least of which will be a small flat blade for prying and a Phillips head screwdriver, and obviously a trim removal tool. Pop the cover off the screw in the door pocket. The door card is held on with these button pop stud things. Start from the bottom, pulling and prying gently. A small bracket that lives here, remove it. At this point, I suggest removing the speaker as well. You're likely watching this video because you too have a broken window and you'll need a good sucking to get the glass out. If you don't get all the glass out, that's fine. There are dew holes in the bottom of the doors and the glass will shake out over the next few months. This weird looking tab here is where the window keys into. Here's a closer view. There's a bracket that lives here. It locates the window and window rubber. It's not fun to deal with. You have been warned. And there you have it. A needless job done begrudgingly. Total cost of this job was $60 an afternoon and 4 pancakes. Of course, the moral of the story here is don't leave valuables in your car no matter how well hidden they are. Overall, this job isn't too difficult, requiring only basic tools and some patience. The whole job can be done in about an hour, what will take twice as long as finding all the bits of glass hidden everywhere. How much mess a small car window can actually make. This is such a pain in the butt. This is such an inconvenience. Please don't smash windows, don't steal stuff, and don't be a sack of shit.